Hey everyone, welcome back to Crafting with JC. I am so excited to share with you this beautiful decorative wall organizer DIY. It was very easy to make and only cost a few dollars, so let's get started. For this project you will need 2 5-gallon paint sticks, and I got a pack of 3 for under $1 at Home Depot. You will also need about 12 super jumbo craft sticks, 3 of which will make a little holder, plus 4 tumbling blocks. Before painting, I cut the paint sticks down to about 16¼ inches. I just used a miter box and saw to cut them down, and I like to tape them together so that they come out even. Instead of paint or stain, I am going to use Waverly antique wax, and with a brush I apply that all over. Then I get a damp cloth and buff it down until I get the shade that I like. You can also use stain or paint, just customize it to your preference. I do the same thing with the craft sticks and tumbling blocks. I apply the wax, then buff it down. Next, I glue 7 of the craft sticks together side by side. I'm using Titebond multi-surface glue, which works wonderfully on wood, and it dries pretty fast. But this is optional because I will be securing it with jumbo craft sticks. I just find that it looks a little more well put together when I use glue. Then I take 2 more craft sticks and glue them together, and then I secure it with another jumbo size craft stick. I got this gorgeous corrugated metal from Dollar Tree, and it is what inspired me to make this decorative wall organizer. So I lay the pieces face down, that way the front will be smooth and even when I turn it over, and I glue them together using hot glue and craft sticks. I apply the antique wax just to blend it all, and then I carefully flip it over. Now it's time to add the large paint sticks. I'm going to use E6000 on the metal and the multi-surface glue on the wood. Then I lay on top of that the paint sticks, making sure they are both evenly spaced. I'm going to add a little holder on the wood portion with the remaining craft sticks and 4 tumbling blocks, and the craft sticks are cut down to about 5 inches. I glue the tumbling blocks down on its side like so, making sure they are spaced out to the length of the craft sticks. Then I stack another tumbling block on top. I take a craft stick, apply glue on each end, and place that on top of the blocks. I take another craft stick, apply glue, and place that one above like so. And finally, I apply the final craft stick on the bottom. I'm going to use this nautical rope from Dollar Tree to hang the piece on the wall. And I use a mixture of hot glue and staples to secure it to the back. I bought these magnetic magnets from Dollar Tree, and I thought it would be perfect for this piece. And that is it. A beautiful decorative wall organizer with a little holder for pens, pencils, note cards, or greenery. I absolutely love the way this turned out, and I hope you did too. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye!